What I wish I knew before freaking out over a dead USB port. It's usually an easy fix. Let's get your Chevy Equinox powered up again. First, check if it's just your cable or device. Try a different charging cable or plug your phone into another car, sometimes it's that simple. Next, look for debris in the USB port. Grab a flashlight and inspect the port closely. If you see dust or crumbs, gently clean it with a toothpick or compressed air. Still not working? Turn your Equinox off and back on, yes, the classic reboot. Sometimes the system just needs a reset. If your USB port has power but no data, check your car's infotainment settings. Make sure USB mode is enabled and your phone is set to transfer data, not just charge. Finally, if none of this works, the fuse might be the culprit. Check your owner's manual for the fuse panel location and find the one labeled USB or AUX. Swap it out for a new fuse of the same rating. If the port still won't cooperate, it may be time for a pro to take a look. But with these steps, most USB problems in the Chevy Equinox are a quick fix. Now you're ready to plug in and hit the road.